Hi, my review today is on the iCoffee by Remington. So as you can see, this coffee pot has steam brew technology, which is to maximize flavor and to make the coffee taste more rich and less bitter. So I'll try and go over some things here with you. The carafe that comes with it is a 12 cup max fill, and inside there's steam and hot water jets. I'll try and get to showing you that later. There's a premium gold tone filter right here, so you don't have to buy any paper filters. Of course, it's not recommended to even use paper filters. You just want to use the filter here. And it also comes with an optional second filter here, which sits inside the carafe to collect any fine particles when you're making your pot of coffee. But this is optional to be in place, and then just to clean, you simply rinse it out. So as far as other basic instructions, I'll just wash mine here. The gold filter here has a viewing chamber window that I will call it here, and to use it, simply pop off the top. It's got a rubber gasket built inside, and inside the gold filter. So to use, you simply want to place your coffee grounds inside the filter, and you can start to see it showing here in the window. Place it back in the machine, place your lid on top, and then I'm going to disconnect here just briefly to show you where the water reservoir is located. Okay, so hopefully you can see here the water reservoir has the numbers built inside here. We're looking inside the top, the lid open, and I placed some water in here already to show you how it is when it brews. And then in the front there is a button to set your hour, time, minutes, and then there is music that plays at the start and finish of each brewing cycle, and you can turn that off. The power button and a clock button to set your clock, and then there is also an auto start button here too. The iCoffee comes with non-skid, non-mark rubber stoppers on the bottom for keeping it from moving and protecting it from marking up your countertop. My coffee grounds in place in the gold filter, reusable filter, and then the water's in the water reservoir. Simply hit the power button. Hear that music at the start of the cycle. Again, that can be turned off if you don't like it. And then watch here. Now the water is being pumped into the filter. with the iCoffee doing steam brew technology, you may need to play with it a bit to create more precision on the taste you want, because it says that it may need more or less compared to what you normally use to achieve desired flavor, just with the technology behind creating the coffee being a bit different. Just to keep that in mind, to achieve strength and flavor you want. Hopefully you can see here with my camcorder, the coffee grounds get suspended as the hot water gets piped into the viewing window here. And as the pot's brewing, the display just says on, and then it's got two vertical bars that just travel back and forth across the screen there if you can't see it. With reaching the near end of the cycle, the light is off on the viewing window now, and so that's completely dark. And it's almost a little bit longer here, a little bit left till the end of the cycle for the amount I had put in. And now the display just says on, and we heard the finishing, I believe, Mozart tune, just telling us that it's done and ready. If you can see this, that secondary coffee filter has collected what's termed coffee essence, I guess. And the only thing I've noticed with this is sometimes it keeps some of the liquid in, and so when you pour it into your cup with the secondary filter in, it has a tendency to come out this hole here in the front. So when I do use the second filter, I do end up taking it out before I pour it into my cup. Otherwise, I can show you this. I have a bit of a mess here. Tends to run out all over. So I'm going to take that secondary filter out. So